So what we're going to show you here is how to adjust this lever. If your cylinder is installed too far into this housing, you might have trouble engaging your trigger. If it is in too far, then your cylinder will be permanently open and you won't be able to lock it. So what I'm going to do is show you the right position that your unit's cylinder should be sitting in. So we'll take a close look here, and I'm going to back the cylinder out of this housing all the way, and I'll show you from the beginning how far to bring it in. So you can see me just unscrewing, very simple, standard threads. So this little piece here, if it sits too far into this housing, that's what will engage your cylinder. We don't want that to happen. We want the cable to pull down on it. So when we thread it in, we'll make sure that nut is not in the way. Bring it all the way down, and now we'll start threading it in. We like to go about 80% of the way up, but not 100%. Do not thread it in all the way. And as I thread it, you'll see this lever start to move up. So I'm going to have a look here. That's about right. When you're comfortable with your position, take this nut, screw it back up. Doesn't have to be very tight, just to hold it in place. Now, one way to check to see if you've gone too far is this, and I'll show you right now. We'll maybe pan out. If I screw this in too far, the cylinder will engage and open by itself without the trigger housing. So I'll keep going and look at that. So that's when you know that you've gone too far. If this happens, go back a few threads, maybe 3 or 4, just to make sure. And hopefully that will clarify what position this should be installed in.